Hello, I'm Stuart. Before we start, we want to share that this video uses AI for graphics and voice, but all the information is manually researched by our team. Here in the video, we will share the details for the Throne and Liberty error code 1.006. The error reads, Steam account verification failed. Most of the time, the error is likely a server-side issue or caused by some kind of temporary interruption. The first thing you should try is restarting the game. Some players have shared that simply restarting the game a second time allowed them to bypass the error. In case this doesn't resolve the error, then restart your device along with your internet connection and then check if the issue is resolved. If restarting doesn't work, make sure that you are running the latest version of the game. So check for any pending updates and install them. Once updated, relaunch the game and see if the error still comes. If the error still comes, then the servers might be under maintenance or experiencing an outage. You can check the official server status by visiting playthrone-liberty.com/n-us/support/server-status. If the servers are under maintenance or having an outage, then you will need to wait until they are back online. Thanks for watching. This is all we have for the error. If this video helped, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Have any questions or issues? Drop them in the comments below. See you in the next one.